Everyone, welcome to Virtue Vision YouTube channel. Shivalaya Otam. Shivalaya Otam is one of the most famous rituals in Mahashivaratri. It is an important festival in Kanyakumari district, Tamil Nadu. One day before Mahashivaratri, the devotees will come to the Munjirai Sri Tirumalai Mahadevar temple in Kanyakumari district. Bathed in river, wearing Rudraksha and walking to 12 Shiva temples in Kanyakumari district. This is about 82 kilometers. It is known as Shivalaya Otam. Tirunattalam is 12th temple in Shivalaya Otam. When devotees reach the Tirunattalam Sankaranarayana Swami temple, Shivalaya Otam ends. 12 Shiva temple. Shivalaya Otam first, Munjirai Mahadevar temple. Shivalaya Otam second, Tikkursi Mahadevar temple. Shivalaya Otam third, Tirupparappu Veerabhadreswar temple. Shivalaya Otam fourth, Tirunandikara Nandiswarar temple. Shivalaya Otam 5th, Ponmana Timbileswar temple. Shivalaya Otam 6th, Pannipagam Kiradamurti temple. Shivalaya Otam 7, Kalkulam Neelakandeswara temple. Shivalaya Otam 8, Melangodu Kalagaleswar temple. Shivalaya Otam 9th, Thiruvidaikodu Chadayappar temple. Shivalaya Otam 10, Thiruvidamgodu Paruthipani Shiva Vishnu temple. Shivalaya Otam 11th, Tirubandikodu Bhakta Valseswarar temple. Shivalaya Otam 12th, Tirunattalam Sankaranarayana Swami temple. Thousands of devotees are coming in Shivalaya Otam. Thanks for watching. Govinda Gopala.